everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today, I am going to show you how to decorate an Easter egg. So for this, you're going to need an egg and an egg cup, a sponge brush, yellow paint, some paintbrushes, white paint, blue paint, and a paper plate. So the first thing we want to do is to put some of the paint onto the paper plate. This is so we don't make a mess. I'm then going to paint my egg. I'm using light blue as a base coat. And then I'm using the sponge brush to give it a bit of texture. Once that's dry, I'm going over it using the sponge brush again, but this time I'm using the white paint. And then doing another layer of the dark blue. This just means it's got a great texture. Once that's dry, you can draw some patterns in the yellow. Don't forget to do the bottom of the egg. This would be great for a centerpiece. And there you have it. Thanks for watching!
Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really cute Easter party cup animals. These are great for table decorations and really easy to do with little ones. So let's have a look. We need 4 party cups, 4 eyes, some glue, white felt, some scissors, so be careful, pink fabric, we need yellow and black marker pens, we need a yellow pipe cleaner, and we need a pink pipe cleaner. Mine is stripy. So the first thing we want to do is to draw 2 ears onto our felt. Cut them out. But don't forget to get Mum or Dad's help if you're using the scissors yourself. Onto our fabric, we're now going to draw 2 smaller ears. We're going to stick these on top to add texture. Like so. They look great already, don't they? We're going to glue our 2 cups together. Like this. This is the body of our little bunny. We're now going to add eyes so we can see. Use your black marker pen to draw a little nose and a mouth. And finally some whiskers. And of course, we need to glue our ears on. Glue them at the back, like this. I'm now taking my stripy pipe cleaner, and I'm making a little bow tie. My bunny is going to look super smart. Glue it on the front. Doesn't he look adorable? Now we're going to make our Easter chickling. Take your yellow marker pen and colour in your cup. If you don't have a marker pen, you can use paint or even a coloured pencil. Colour them all in and then glue them together like we did with our other cups. This is the body of our little Easter chick. I'm using the yellow pipe cleaner to make 2 little wings. Here's my first one. And here's my second one. Glue them on, like so. And of course, we have to add some eyes. Finally, we're going to add a little beak. Super simple and super cute. Don't they look adorable? Some Easter party cup animals. Have a great Easter and we will see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make a really simple yet really cute Easter bunny craft. This is a great one to do with the little ones. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is some sticky back fabric, some scissors, a blue pom-pom, some pink foam, eyes, some glue, a toilet roll, some metal wire, and a marker pen. Remember to get your parents' help when you're using the scissors. So the first thing we want to do is to draw out the base of our toilet roll. We're now going to draw 2 giant feet and cut it out. Be careful when you're using the scissors. I've done this on my pink foam. Now I'm going to take my sticky back fabric to cover the entire toilet roll. Like so. So easy. There's a little bit of extra at the bottom, so it's already sitting perfectly on my feet. Now I need to draw some perfect bunny ears. Cut them out. Don't forget to get some help when you're using the scissors. And now it's time to glue them on the inside at the front, like so. Of course we need to add detail, like a nose and some whiskers. So cut some lengths of wire and then feed it through the center of your pom-pom, like so. Three pieces of wire mean you've got 6 little whiskers. Too cute! And of course, we need to have eyes. Otherwise our little Easter bunny can't see. So glue them all on. And once we've done that, you're finished! Doesn't he look gorgeous? A super simple craft. Great to do with the little ones.